All right, there we have it. That's the 2 and the 3 weld done on this. We got to do 3 more. But overall, I mean, it took a very long time. It probably took almost 2 hours just to do those welds. And remember, we got to do the same thing again for the manway that we're going to put on the end of the thing, right? So it's definitely a process, but it's always worth it because I tell you why. You know, you do not want the welds to explode or anything catastrophic to happen. So it's worth taking the time, do it right, put stack many welds together, keep it nice, airtight, hermetically sealed. So we did it. 3 more to do there, then the manway, and then we can start to add the things up on this baby. Like, we started to make it look like this, right? Add the input, the shaft for the